Hey guys, it's Carrie Lynn here for SheSave.com. We're back in Las Vegas. We are at the Paris Hotel and Casino again. We're on the 30th floor, and I'm going to give you a peek at a Bordeaux room with a sphere and high roller view. So we've shown this room style a few different times here at Paris. Paris has a ton of different room options. Make sure to check out my other videos because we have covered a lot of those. This one is a little bit different with that view. Feels like pretty much the same kind of room. I like this tower, and I just wanted to show you what these rooms are looking like now. They've changed just a little bit. Not my favorite style at Paris, but definitely a good solid room choice if you find yourself staying here. Again, make sure to check out my other videos for other options from the Paris hotel property, but I find these to be reasonably priced. Always pretty clean. This is a great property, and as you can see, really nice spacious room. It has all the things that you're going to want, lots of storage and all of the usual things, the ironing board. You have a refrigerator in these rooms, which always makes it nice along with your safe. Overall, pretty simple. Again, not the best room at this property, but definitely a nice option. And again, pretty affordable. The bathrooms here, I really, really like. I also find those to usually be super clean as well. And the layout is good. They're nice and bright. They just have a really neat feel to them. Again, clean, spacious. I really love these long walk-in showers. If I can get the door open, I can show you. They're just so roomy. They have great product. This bench area is really nice. And then of course you have the rain shower, the shower wand. Really, really nice for travel, especially if you need to rinse things off or whatnot. But anyway, that's all great. Now I want to talk about the view. I am a stickler for a view whenever you can get one when you travel. So here's a peek out there at night. You have the sphere and the high roller. My biggest tip to you is when you check in, ask specifically about your view because that's really your best chance at getting one, if at all. It's not always going to happen, but always worth asking because I'll be honest with you, that's who probably gets the view. Rarely do they randomly just give you a great view, nor do you get one with the self-check-in. That's usually the way to get the worst view. But if it doesn't matter to you, great. It matters to me because I love to take in all of the things, especially in Vegas. And a view like this just gives you all of those Vegas vibes. So anyway, there you go on that. Lots of other room videos on my channel, including many more from Paris. So make sure to check those out. I will drop links below, but that's kind of the fun thing about doing Vegas. You never know what you're going to get, and you kind of get a different experience every time depending on the hotel property and room style that you book. So that's my job, is to kind of bring and share those all with you. I'm always here for questions. Here's a peek at the same view during the day. I personally love that Vegas sunshine pouring in the morning. It's one of my favorite things to get me up and going. I usually grab a coffee and walk up and down the strip. It's just the best time of day in Vegas. Oh, you can see over there, that is the Hard Rock guitar-shaped hotel under construction. That's going to be really cool from this view eventually as well. So anyway, all the details are down below. Let me know if you have questions. This is Carrie Lynn for SheSave.com.